This Center, Realtors property video is presented by Peggy Manning. Pleasing curb appeal surrounds this family-oriented home nestled in a quiet cel-de-sac. You will appreciate the comfortable, open, and inviting floor plan. Spacious kitchen affords ample opportunity for entertaining, the large breakfast bar complete with granite countertops and an open entry to the living area. The covered patio in the large backyard could easily accommodate a pool and/or an outdoor kitchen. The master boasts a great custom closet, approximately 8x9. The master bath has dual sinks, ample storage, and a large shower. Utility room comes complete with washer and dryer. Move-in ready? Don't let this one get away. For more information, review the details below.